Okay, so I just got this package today. I'm pretty sure it'll be something that I've bought off eBay. Probably the Rubik's UFO, although on the eBay page it showed it in its original box. Now, if it's come in its original box, surely it would be bigger than this. But let's just open it up and see what's going on. Got a feeling it will be the Rubik's UFO, but not in its original box, which I don't mind because I'm not buying it for the box. I'm buying it for the puzzle. Oh, it is in its original box. Okay. I just assumed that the box would be taller for some reason. So these Rubik's UFOs are supposed to be very rare. When I found this on eBay, I don't even actually think I was looking for a Rubik's UFO. I mean, even not in their original boxes, they're still. I think they're still supposed to be very rare. So I really like this packaging. It's really nice. So you've got Rubik's UFO there. Oops. You can see the UFO itself. I think it's supposed to solve similar to a cheese puzzle. You can see it's on a stand there. On the back it says Rubik's UFO, ages 8+. I don't really see what would be wrong with a 7-year-old playing with this. An out of this world puzzle experience from the inventor of the world famous Rubik's Cube. A few twists and turns completely jumble the UFO. The challenge is to put, although I don't think you'd class it as a jumbling puzzle, the challenge is to put the UFO back in working order with all the colours matched up. Rotates into almost 40 million positions, that's quite a lot, with only one correct solution. Includes sleekly designed stand. UFO snaps on and off. Solve the puzzle and proudly display it for all to see. Winning moves games. Classic, retro, cool and fun. And you've got some websites there for solutions and hints. Battery's starting to run out, so hopefully it will last. Twist it, turn it, flip it, match it, solve it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to speed up a bit because of the battery. 7 times limited, London, UK. That's interesting because this has come all the way over from Israel. So let's open this up, and there's a sticker on top. I never know how to put these flaps back, like how it was. Because I've got other cases like this. Come on. Yeah, I'm sure you're supposed to take it out by opening up the top, but I didn't really want to. Well, I was going to say I didn't really want to ruin the sticker, but I don't really think I'm going to keep this packaging because it's a bit bulky, really. It's quite cool. Oh. Tied in. Come on, camera, battery, don't fail me now. I've ripped it, doesn't matter. The stand doesn't seem to be broken, but there is this broken piece of plastic in there. Hopefully it's nothing important. I think maybe it was to just hold this wire thing in place. So there is the puzzle on its stand. Looks really nice, I think. Wonder if you can spin it while it's on its stand. I think it should fit on the other way as well. Yep. Okay, so let's look at the puzzle itself. Let's do a close-up first. So yeah, really nice looking. It looks almost black on through the viewfinder, but in real life there's like a black tint to it, but it's mainly just kind of like clear plastic. Yeah, it's clear plastic with a slight black tint in real life, and that's like a green clear plastic. Let's see what it turns like. It's not too bad. And you can also turn it this way as well. Oops. Yeah, it turns fine once you get things aligned. But you know, things do easily come out of alignment like that there, and then when that happens it doesn't turn. So yeah, basically, you know, you've got to not only have you got to get the whole colour of the disc right, like right now you can see the actual disc itself is mixed up. It's, you know, you've got some black and some green, but not only have you got to get the colour of the whole disc right, but you've got to get these colours matched up as well. You've got silver, yellow, red, blue, green and orange, and you've got those same colours on the other side. Oh, they're not matched up, are they? Let's see, let's turn it so they are. Now they're matched up. So well, I'm finding it quite hard to turn it this way. Maybe I'm not doing it in the right way. I don't know. Never used one of these before, but let's mix it up anyway. And it's a bit awkward trying to turn it as well, sitting behind a big tripod and trying to kind of peek around the camera. On the camera display, the battery has been flashing red for ages now. I'm surprised it's not giving up the ghost yet. There you go. Come on, turn a bit more. Yeah, so that's a scrambled Rubik's UFO. Oh, and it says Rubik's there as well. So yeah, the camera battery managed to run out just at the last minute, but as I was saying, there you can see it says Rubik's there. What does it say underneath it? www.rubiks.com. So yep, that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.